Look at this here now. So z is equal to 1 minus I and cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta is 1, sin theta is minus 1, right? So what I told you for principal argument, first quadrant will be theta. Second quadrant will be minus theta. My third quadrant will be what? Pi minus theta. My fourth quadrant will be what? Pi minus theta. Right? So cos theta is positive, sin theta is negative. Which quadrant? Tell me. Cos positive, sin negative. Which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant. Tambi, which quadrant? Sorry, this sorry, this is my, I wrote, yeah, whatever you said here. As per the trigonometry I'm talking about. This is my this is my second quadrant. Look at this here, what we have again. This is my second quadrant, this is my third quadrant, this is my fourth quadrant. So now tell me, sin positive, so cos positive, sin negative, which quadrant? As per the trigonometry, this is here sin positive, so cos positive, sin negative, right? Here cos positive, right? Which quadrant? Cos positive, sin theta negative here. Fourth quadrant only, right? Cos positive is in fourth quadrant as per the trigonometry. So I supposed
Yes,
to
sir.
take, this angle now. What is that? Minus theta. I supposed to take minus theta. So before taking this minus theta, minus theta, right? Minus theta I got selected. See here, I just selected with minus theta. Now what you must do, you guys, look at this here. I must divide this r value with this one. Clear? With this one. What is that? I have one right here. 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by root 2. So look at this here. Cos theta is 1 by root 2. Sin theta is minus 1 by root 2. Theta is equal to what? Cos theta is 45. So cos theta is 1 by root 2. Sin theta is also minus 1 by root 2. Clear? So look at this now. So when can I write now? Cos theta is equal 1 by root 2 means cos pi by 4. Cos will get cancelled. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Here also sin theta is equal to minus times of sin 45. Sin then will get cancelled. Theta is equal to minus 5. Pi by 4. Getting my point? But guys, look at this here. Look at this here. Now what exactly my polar form is going to be now? Tell me. Z is equal to r, which is root 2 times of cos theta minus I times of sin theta. Why we add plus here, right, sir? Why you are writing minus here? Why? Because we got minus here, right? So we will write in the form of plus only, and I'll make you to understand clearly. Look at this here. Z is equal to r, what I got, root 2 cos theta. How much? Cos theta how much? 1 by root 2, right? So let us write cos theta. Theta value is what here? Theta, as per the condition, theta is minus, right? So
Yes, sir.
cos theta is what? Minus theta. Minus theta means minus pi by 4 plus I. Sin of theta is what? Minus pi by 4. But everyone knows that cos of negative theta is always going to be cos theta only. Minus sin of minus theta is always going to be minus sin theta. Have you learned this, guys? See, everyone, you might have learned cos of negative theta. Take a note. Cos of negative theta is always going to be positive cos theta. Sin of negative theta is always going to be minus sin theta, and tan of minus theta is going to be minus tan theta. Now if you know cos, what is going to be the secant minus theta now? Tell me. Secant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is going to be what? Minus cosecant theta. Cot of minus tan theta, minus theta is what? Minus cot theta. Sir, how you are writing this? Guys, cos is a reciprocal of sine. Cosecant. Sine is a reciprocal of cosecant. So tan is a reciprocal of cot. So if tan is negative, then cot is also going to be negative, isn't it? So only cos and secant will be positive. Rest of the all trigonometric functions will be positive if you apply negative angle. So, getting my point? See guys, only
Yes, sir.
cos is positive. Look at cos and secant will be positive. Why? Because they are reciprocal function, reciprocating functions to each other. So that is for the reason. So look at this here. That is what I'm applying here. As per the question, as per the quadrant, as per the principal argument, what is my angle here? Minus. Angle is what? Negative. Negative theta. Angle is what? Negative theta. So I'm just substituting here. In place of theta, I'm substituting negative theta. Why? Because my theta is negative, right? So let me write somewhat here once again. Look at this here. Z is equal to R of cos of theta is what here? Negative theta plus I of sine. Theta is what? Negative theta. So sine negative theta is always going to be theta. In place of theta, I'm writing pi by 4. In place of theta, I'm writing pi by 4. Why? Because I got pi by 4, pi by 4. I'm substituting. This is I'm getting. So this is what the concept of argument and polar form of a complex number. Polar form of a complex number is what? Z is equal to R times of cos theta plus I sin theta. For writing any complex number in a polar form, what I must need? I must need mod Z. How to find mod Z? Square root of imaginary number plus square root of complex number. This one. Now look at this here. I need argument of Z. Argument of Z is what here? Tan theta. That is separate. So if I ask you to find principal argument of a complex number, this is a procedure. Getting my point? Getting my point, children?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We'll solve one more question. You will be able to understand clearly. Okay, we'll solve one more question. Have you noted it? Have you noted this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. We'll solve one more question here. If Z is equal to minus root 3 plus I. First and foremost step is what you find mod Z. What is going to be? What is going to be that? Real part of whole square plus imaginary part of whole square. So this will get cancelled. Root 3 root of root 3 plus 1, which is going to be root 4, which is going to give me 2. So mod Z is going to be what? 2. So look at this here. I got 2, right? Guys, next my step is what? What is my next step? So as I told you that in the question I have given Z is equal to R, right? So R is going to be what now? 2. So what I must do now? I must divide this 2 with this here. Z is equal to minus root 3 plus I by 2. So what I'm going to get here? Minus root 3 by 2 plus I by 2. So if I compare with R times of, if I compare this thing with what? Guys, if I compare this thing with my complex number, what I'm going to get? What is cos theta here? What is cos theta? Guys, cos theta is minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta value is what? 1 by 2, not I by 2. Getting my point? So what is the common angle of sin and cos when it is root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2? Tell me. 30, right? Pi by 6. Getting my point? Guys, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Clear? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is root 3 by 2, isn't it? So I'm writing 30 means pi by 6, guys. That is what I'm writing. Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Ah. So this is what I got. Now what you understood is from this. So now this is what I wrote, right? Now you have to go for quadrant system. What is a quadrant? First quadrant will theta, fourth quadrant is minus theta, second quadrant is pi minus theta, fourth quadrant is, third quadrant is this one. Guys, don't confuse with the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. Look at this here. Cos is negative, sin is positive. Which quadrant? Cos positive, sin negative, which quadrant? As per the trigonometry, guys. Day Tambi. Cos positive, second quadrant, all silver teacups. See, in first quadrant, all trigonometric functions will be positive. In second quadrant, sine theta and cosecant theta will be positive. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta will be positive. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta will be positive. This is what we have learnt in the trigonometry, isn't it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here cos is negative, right? Cos negative. Sin is positive. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant. 1 second. So second quadrant angle is what? Second quadrant angle is what? Pi minus theta. So second quadrant is what? Pi minus theta. I know theta. This is my theta, right? So pi minus, what is my theta? Theta is what? Pi by 6. Isn't it, guys? So this is my theta. Therefore, theta is equal to what? Pi by 6. I got. This is what, right? So I'm substituting here now. Pi minus pi by 6, how much? 5 pi by 6. So now I have to substitute in here in a general form. R times of cos theta plus I times of sin theta. So how much I got? R is equal to, how much I got? What is R my? What is my R? 2. I got 2, right? So 2 cos theta, how much now? This is my theta now, final theta. 5 pi by 6 plus I times of sine 5 pi by 6. Getting my point? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
See how we are identifying cos and sin here. See here, this shows me cos theta. This shows me I sin theta. So cos is negative here, sin is positive. Second quadrant. Second quadrant, I know in second quadrant I will be having pi minus theta is my angle. Right? Pi minus theta means second quadrant. So cos theta is what here? Root 3 by 2, sin theta is 1 by 2. So when it is going to be root 3 by 2 and sin theta 1 by 2, 30 degrees at 30 degrees. So 30 degrees means pi by 6. This is my theta. So as per the second quadrant, pi minus theta is my theta angle. So this is going to be my theta now. It has been changed to pi by 6. Pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 it has been changed. So it is going to be my general form of a complex number. I mean like polar form. Getting my point? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Everyone turn on your videos once. Good. Ha. Look at this here. Let me solve one more question. Now you guys must solve this. Okay. Just a minute. Let me give you a question. Huh. You just take this question now. Three plus root 6i. Or you change like you can write like this as well. What was the previous question? Minus 3. Huh. Make Write this in a polar form. Make it first. Tell me. This is a homework for you guys. Take this as a homework. You some see no need of writing it. Write in a polar form. That's all. See, if it is not, if you are getting struggle, you just write what is. You just write what is now. Don't write all this. See here, the question is, if z is equal to this, then mod is equal to how much? Make it first. Tell me, what is mod is equal to? Next question, you write this one. I am root 3. Write in polar form. Write in polar form. Take these two questions as homework. Make it fast. Done? Done, guys? Have you copied? Write in polar
Yes, sir.
form. Okay, guys, this is the today's session is all about. I think I have next class right now. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.